toothpick.
I speak.
Eh, bakit sa akin toothpick?
Ba't toothpick mo? Parang hindi papasok yun dito. Huwag mo naman akong tagasan.
Parang pilit ng pagkaan.
English only to ha, English only
Yeah,
lang.
Okay, English only tayo.
English only. Okay, the last
English
time...
only, ay English policy. Yung pang for
sige,
the
sige.
school,
Ah,
diba? Sige, go.
sige. English
go.
policy tayo
English
ngayon.
policy tayo. The last time we met, actually, I say hi. But,
She didn't say hi back.
yeah, she did.
No, it's not.
Ay,
Gusto ko kasi yung meron akong language.
The way,
over.
the way she...
the way she look at you.
Look at me, parang...
Intimidating?
Yeah, then, kinausap na lang ako nung mismo nasa camera na kami.
English, please.
Then, she talked to me when the camera is on.
Wait lang, I love this one. Gusto ko to. Hindi, Ay, English pala. English policy. Makokotongan ka ba magtatagalog?
I speak ka niya.
I speak ka. Ayoko. Actually, eventually,
Apparently.
apparently,
Adjective.
one of my red flag
May S.
is
May S.
red flags.
Yes.
One of my red flags.
That's singular.
Ha?
One lang dapat, diba?
One, singular.
Red,
One of the...
one of the.
One of my
okay.
red flags.
One of my red flag is
Flags.
red flags is over. Kunwari na yung classmate mo natusok mo ng lapis,
ganun.
na pinagsisihan mo na naging matapang, naging maldita ka ba? Ganun.